Welcome to 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. Today we're going on a special journey to a peaceful place where we can feel calm, where we can relax and let go of any worries. Let's start by getting comfortable. You can sit down or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Now, close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's do that again. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time, even slower this time. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, imagine you are in a beautiful meadow, surrounded by soft green grass. The sun is shining gently, and there's a cool, fresh breeze that makes the grass sway back and forth. You can hear the soft rustle of the leaves in the trees and the sweet sound of birds singing in the distance. As you stand in this peaceful meadow, you notice a little floating cloud above you. This cloud is special. It's a worry cloud. If you have any thoughts or worries on your mind, you can gently place them on the cloud. Watch as the wind carries them away, drifting farther and farther until they disappear into the sky. Now, let's help your body feel completely relaxed. Start by squeezing your hands into little fists. Hold them tight and then let them go, letting all the tension melt away. Now scrunch up your shoulders close to your ears and then let them drop. That feels so much better. Let's do the same with your face. Scrunch it up like you just ate something super sour. Hold it, and now let it go. Your face is soft, relaxed, and calm. Finally, take one more deep breath in and let it out with a big sigh. Feel your whole body loose and light, like a feather floating in the wind. You are safe, you are loved, and you can come back to this peaceful place anytime you need to relax. When you're ready, wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. Keep this calm feeling with you as you go through your day. We'll see you next time.